for balloon up in the sky. C is for castle, tall and wide. D is for dragon, trying to hide. E is for explorer, brave and bright. F is for flashlight, shining light. G is for giraffe, stretching tall. H is for hat, big and small. I is for island, with treasure to find. J is for jungle, wild and kind. K is for kite, flying in the breeze. L is for ladder, climbing with ease. M is for mountain, high and steep. N is for nest, where birdies sleep. O is for octopus, swimming below. P is for pirate, with yo-ho-ho. Q is for queen in her golden crown. R is for rocket, blasting down. S is for ship, sailing the sea. T is for tunnel, where we peek and see. U is for unicorn, magical and shy. V is for volcano, reaching the sky. W is for wagon, rolling along. X is for xylophone, playing a song. Y is for yeti, fuzzy and loud. Z is for zipline, zooming through clouds. Now we've had our ABC, adventure fun for you and me.